Let's talk about AI side projects that are actually worth building. Not the flashy stuff, the useful stuff. Here's the honest truth. The best first project is small, solves a real annoyance, and can be finished in a weekend. Idea 1. A document summarizer. Feed it long PDFs, get clean bullet points. People pay for saved time. Idea 2. A niche chatbot trained on one specific manual or FAQ. Great for a local business. Idea 3. An automation that turns messy emails into a tidy spreadsheet. Now here's your concrete first step. Open a free tool like Google Colab or a no-code platform like Zapier. Pick Idea 3, the email organizer. Connect your inbox. Add an AI step that extracts the sender, the request, and the deadline. Then push that into a Google Sheet. Test it with 5 real emails. That's it. You've built something. Notice what I did there. I didn't tell you to dream about passive income. I told you to ship one working thing. Because the skill of building is what actually pays off later, not the idea itself. If people find your little tool useful, you might charge $5 a month or 10. Maybe nobody pays and you learn what doesn't work. That's still a win. The builders who succeed are the ones who finish version 1, get feedback, and iterate. So this week, don't consume another tutorial. Build the ugly first version. Break it. Fix it. Show one person. That loop is the entire game. Drop a comment with what you're building, and I'll help you troubleshoot. Now go make something real.